How to use advanced feature in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you some advanced feature of Snapchat that can make your snaps more fun and creative. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, simply open the Snapchat app. So here step 1 is to use lens and AR filters. So simply open the camera screen and here you can just tap on the capture button and here you can simply send it to the other person as well. Now here this is the normal function. But here while you are taking the picture, if you scroll through the lenses and AR filters, there you can select the effects that you want to add to your photo or video. And here you can also scan objects or scan songs with Shazam integration at all. And with that, step 2 is to create Bitmoji and Friendmoji. So here just tap on the profile icon shown in top left corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can simply customize your Bitmoji avatar. Now here you can also create a Friendmoji with friends for unique stickers in chat as well. And with that, if you swipe down on the camera screen to open the Snap Maps, there you can see where your friends are in the location and explore public stories from around the world. And step 4 is discover and spotlight. So here, if you swipe to the right side, then you can access Discover and Spotlight. Now, here you can check trending content, watch short videos, and get inspired for your own snaps. And step 5 is to use memories and my eyes only. So, here, if you swipe up from the camera screen to open memories, then here you can save snaps, organize them, use my eyes only for private content protected by a password. And that's it. That's how you can use advanced Snapchat feature like a pro. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.